Today I'm going to start my chainsaw. It's a little warmer today. It's probably minus 15 this morning, but it was minus 25 overnight. Anyway, if you've ever tried to start a chainsaw when it's been outside all the time or on your machine all the time and you're in the minus 20s and 30s, you think you're going to break your cord before it starts or break your pull cord assembly. So I always, when I'm in the bush in the winter, I usually have this little vest on. If not, I keep it in my pant pocket. But I have just one of these little butane torches. And this thing is a godsend for multiple reasons. But butane will not work if I'm outside and the temperature of this torch is minus 5, it won't light. There's no vapor pressure. So butane needs to be kept warm. That's why it's always in my pocket. But what I do, I'll bring the camera over here, is I warm up the saw. So right here you can see the actual cylinder cooling fins. So I'm going to warm them first. So I haven't started this thing today. I light the torch and I'm going to warm it. I'll spend about 45 seconds or a minute warming the actual cylinder. And I won't make you watch through this whole thing, so I'll put the camera back, but I warm it for about a minute and then I start it. Okay, so we're 45 seconds or a minute of warming that up. So I'm going to pull it out here and we're going to give it a try. Again, if you've done this, you know that sometimes when you're trying to start these in the extreme cold, they just won't start because there's so little heat in the cylinder. So we'll choke it. So there we go. Started great, and the reason being there's a little bit of heat in the cylinder, so when you're pulling the cord it actually feels like the machine is warm. It pulls good and it generates heat with compression, so when there's a spark there's good combustion. Anyway, really good trick if you're out in the bush in the wintertime and you've gone through periods where you just can't get that chainsaw started and you feel like you're going to break the cord in the pull cord assembly. Keep one of those little butane torches. They do wonders and it'll start quick every time. If you find that useful, please like and subscribe.